You are going to love the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, body color door handles, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.